sound one time. It was like, Dad, come. That's why I learned how to listen there. I remember. Oh my goodness.
I don't like it. You had one drop. I did it all at once.
Yeah, yellow?
No.
What?
What do you think?
I got a latte with honey up here, and then I'm about to have a latte with small shrimp.
Thank you. I got 2 big dishes.
Okay.
He does something like I would love to do, which is pastoral ministry.
Sinful rebellion and a sinful retreat.
What does the husband say at the memorial service for his wife and daughter? What would you say?
Ready? Breathe in. Breathe out.
Oh yeah, I'm scared.
Do not fart. Okay, we try again.
This has gotta be the strangest thing I've ever watched in my life.
I need my glasses.
After you fathered Kenan 815 years, and our other sons and daughters. Thus all the days of your
values seek or celebrate the forgiving.
Here. Just remind me.
And your card, please.
Perhaps you're interested in doing missions overseas or
By his knowledge, the deeps broke open and the clouds dropped down the dew. My son, do not lose sight of these. Keep sound wisdom and discretion.
In terms of their new identity in Christ, we live in caves and jungles.
But what if it is and then they take it?
You're gonna get so mad once I
Just flip it and
No,
because then he's gonna. Okay, whatever. I'm just queen. There we go. Good work. Good work. He was trying to play some mind games.
He then prophesies that Jesus will be a light to Gentiles and bring salvation for all nations.
Our sin again and again and again because of the tenderness of his love.
Wow, sorry.
Daddy, can we get me some cold water?
Do it again. Let me see. Good. Hey, look at this doll. You see crumbs? Okay, so bite and suck. That's your method. Good job.
This is your dad.
Wow.
You can eat it.
I can eat it?